I could talk forever about this stuff, you guys. This is stuff I'm excited about. I'm pouring all my time and effort into it. And to help you guys, to help, 123 Legal Support. The goal is eventually that if I sell it, I could show a lot of these same tools that I could use to it, white label to 123, right? And so eventually there will be a product that we can white label to you. It's going to be a little bit expensive because we basically have to recreate our app and then remove some of the features you don't need, and then just add the features of like basically attorneys can come in and bid on all of your areas, like as if they're hiring different servers, but they're hiring them through you, which would be pretty cool, right? The idea that they could see all the servers that you use and go, I want to use him, boom. And they hire them through your system. They upload their documents, they hire it, you manage it, but they never even have to know that you're involved. They're chatting with him. Hey, was the person at the door? Da, da, da. But that's a huge undertaking. And every time we do that, which is what we're building, but every time we do that for an individual company, we have to rebuild the app, basically duplicate our efforts and then optimize it. So, but that's something eventually will be an option for you guys. It will be an option. It'll just be a little bit, I'll just say it'll be expensive. Okay. Because it'll be white labeled to your business, and you'll be able to get money while you sleep, not have to serve, and get for your whole state. I think that's a benefit. Do you guys think that's a good benefit? To be able to have basically like your own e-filing portal where people just e-file while you sleep and they're getting their documents back from the court. That's essentially what I have with e-filing. So I'm trying to create that with process serving too, where I could send it out to anybody. And, for what I'm building for you guys, the My Jobs tab doesn't have all that stuff. It just has basically the ability to manage your jobs, send status requests, send stuff to servers, send basically like any of these other server software tools, except for the best form builder, the best template options, right? You could build your own templates and you can store signatures for people inside your office that only their logins can access. Okay. And we're going to get rid of fraud, where people can't forge documents, forge signatures. I'm surprised at the people, and I'll just end this whole conversation on this, is like, I'm surprised at the people out there that are forging signatures of their servers. Like, guys, that's one of the F's. If you ever become a notary, they teach you about the S: fraud, forgery. What are the other ones, guys? Fraud, forgery, something else. Fornication. No, that's not one. I'm trying to think. There's like 4 F's. Anyways, obviously I probably do the other ones. That's why I can't think of them. But yeah, if you do any of those other ones, if you do any of the F's, it's a felony. Like you will do jail time. You'll pay a fine and you'll do jail time if you get caught. So as a notary, you're immediately never going to be a notary again if you allow those things to happen. And so it should be the same thing as a process server. That's why I think there's so much overlap between notaries and process servers. There really is. Like you should be looking at these things and avoiding fraud, avoiding forgery, avoiding actually, I don't even think of the other ones. Perjury. Perjury is another one too. Anyway, but it's not an F one, so that's what I'm trying. I can't. Falsification, something. I don't know. Yeah, lying under oath or something. But anyways, if you guys have any questions, you're struggling with anything, I'm here.